Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the Houseplant series in watercolor, and today we are going to paint the Monstera plant. To paint this plant, you would require watercolor, drawing book and brushes. And I have used products from the local market which are also available on the Amazon website. Let's move on to the sketching part. Today we will not be sketching directly onto the drawing book, but instead we will draw it on a rough sheet and then trace the sketch onto the drawing book. You can start drawing the leaves by first outlining the entire shape of the leaf, and then once you're done with it, you can go ahead and give structure to the leaf. Draw as many leaves as you want, but try to draw the leaves in different directions so that it gives volume to your plant. Once you're done with the sketch, place it over your drawing paper and lock its position with the help of the masking tapes so that it doesn't move while you are tracing the sketch. Okay, so we are done with the tracing part. I'll remove the rough sheet and outline the final sketch with thin pencil strokes. I'll use these 4 shades to color the plant. They are sap green, verdant hue, ivory black and white. I'll start with the greens first. Remember to use a round brush that has a tapering or pointy end like this one. Start painting the veins of the leaf with a very light shade of verdant hue. Now, color some parts of the leaf with the dark green shade and some parts with the light green or sap green shade. By parts, I mean the winglets of the leaf as well as the tip. For example, I'm painting the tip of this leaf with a mixture of sap green and dark green color. I chose the same color to do the first winglet. However, for the second winglet, I chose a lighter sap green color. You don't have to plan where to put the dark green shade or where to put the light green one. Just keep coloring little sections one after another, and finally you'll get a very beautiful result. Keeping the paint concentration high will give you a darker color. Now apply this dark color near the center of the leaf and around the main vein to highlight these areas. As you keep altering your green colors, gradients of different shade will appear as each time you pick a color, its concentration and hence the shade color is going to change. Make some portions light in color, some dark in color, and some extra dark sections. These differently colored sections will create an illusion that your leaf has an uneven surface and it is not flat. Coloring the stem is similar to that of the leaf. You can either use verdant hue, sap green, or a mixture of both. some dark shades in areas like beneath the leaf or in areas where two stems are crossing over. Mix a little bit of black with a lot of white to get the cement-like color and paint the pot with it. Fill in this part with some black color. Finally, we are done with our Monstera plant. I'll see you guys again in another houseplant tutorial in watercolor. Thank you so much for watching.